Okay guys, so by the title of this video, you already know what's gonna happen. So let me just show you. I have 1709 16299.192. So what can I say about this? I encountered a few more errors. I guess I'll use the touchscreen for this. Okay. So just yesterday, my voice cracked. Windows Explorer stopped working. Windows was not properly shut down. Just a lot of errors happening. This computer always crashes. I mean, I tried to install Windows 10s on this. It is a hard drive enclosure with my old hard drive that was in my HP. It's a nice hard drive, but loud. The one thing was I kept unplugging it from the USB port because it's like USB to whatever the heck that is. But yeah, it's to whatever the heck that port is. So I guess without further ado, let's do this. Just to show you guys my specs, you probably already know it, but AMD A10 8700P, not really 10 core, mainly a dual core with 2 virtual threads, or 4 virtual threads, because if I go here, it shows 4 cores right here, but you got like the base speed, yeah, 1 socket, of course, 2 cores, 4 logic processors, virtualization enabled. Now, when I got this computer, virtualization was disabled, so I went in the BIOS and enabled it. So, yeah. And just to show you guys one more time, I'm on Windows 10 Home in that build. So, without further ado, updates. Now I can just check this to see if there's any updates. My hand's shaky. I really should have just screen recorded this. 14. So troubleshooting ain't gonna help. Blue screen, because I've gotten a lot of those. Can't keep my hand steady. But it's just not gonna work. So without further ado, let's click it. Okay. This is the scary part. Okay. Got 817 gigs left. 51 on ISOs. And it's just this DVD drive. So, without further ado... You know, this is the one scary part. This is just the one scary part. Show affected drives. If you choose remove from all drives, this will be the drive that's affected. E. And what's E? My ISOs. Don't want that because just look at that. I got all the builds of Windows 10 right here. And this isn't really Windows 10 S. This is Windows 10 Cloud. So I guess I can just delete that because I can go into like Win to USB and get Windows 10 S from here. But I got all the versions of Windows 10 right here. Now, I believe they're all first build. Like 1703.0. Your PC has more than one drive. Do you want to remove all files from all drives? Only the drive where Windows is installed. Yes. I don't want it to take hours. Is less secure, but it's quick. So what happened? Oh, whoa. I almost clicked reset. My voice just went weird. Let me go to reset. Only when Windows is installed. Clean all. Not clean all, but no. But if I do this, keep my files, all these will be removed. And the one thing I don't like about Fresh Start switch. This is going on way longer than it should, but Fresh Start will basically remove everything. Now, read this, because you guys could do this too. You can pause the video too. Okay. I'm not even on Insider too. Like, look. I'm not on Insider. It would say like 1803, I believe. Since 1803 is like 2 months away. I was about to say 2 years away. I'm like, no. And the weird thing is they always do 2 Windows builds every year. So if this doesn't work like last time, drive or clean install or reimage. Those are my 2 options if this doesn't work. Rip Windows 10. If the reset does work, I hope I don't go to Windows 10 1511 November update. NU. I hope I don't, because yeah, let's not, because they already discontinued that version, so I hope I don't get that build. I hope I get FCU, don't even care what build of FCU. The first version, 15, that's fine. Just remove files. Because once I click reset, there is no going back at all whatsoever. Got my start menu, which looks organized. I got my stuff here, this, that, and games. But I just got all my stuff. And the one thing I'm not a fan of CU at all, CU/FCU, whatever, 3D paint. Why can't I just stick with MS Paint? Why can't we just stick with it? This is the hardest thing more than ever. Doing this. Hitting reset. This is the most challenging thing because you're gonna have to reinstall all your things. So it's basically something messes up on Windows, you fix it. Something happens up on Mac, you either fix it or you bring it to the Apple Store. It's like that. It's like something's wrong, you fix it. Something's wrong, Apple Store. So it's basically Windows crashes, you gotta fix it. Disgusting Macs crash. God, you can't fix them. Well, you can, but okay. It's kind of building up because I'm resetting, then I have to reinstall all the applications. Meaning all. Just all that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh God. Here we go. That's the hard drive light. Oh God. This will take a few minutes and your PC will restart. Well, considering that I'm restarting, no crap. I mean, this video is already going to be uploaded. I was going to say, tell me in the comments what I should do, but like, it's not a live stream or whatever, so why would I do that? I mean, a live stream would be a lot better, but that would take a while. But I don't know if I'm gonna lose this backlit keyboard option, because this is set to 15 seconds, and when I first got this laptop, the keyboard was set to never off. So it was always on. So I always press the F10 button. And the reason why it's off colored is, this is gonna sound like I broke my keyboard, but I did take, my voice cracked. I took it off, I took it out, I removed the adhesive. Well, I didn't remove it, it's still on there, but I took pieces of plain white paper because this is really bright, especially when you look this way. Especially when you look this way. That was my mouse falling. You have like the light seeping through, just hurting your eyes at night. Now, where's my mouse? There it is. Sure taking a while. One thing of having Windows. Gotta fix it yourself. See how it's still blinking? Now this was white, but I changed it. I already told you guys a while ago in my voice. I'm 15, so maybe this year my voice will change, like, a little bit deeper, because having my voice crack is so annoying. So, yeah. And this is still going on, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna be right back. And hopefully by the time I'm done, it should say resetting. It should say right about here, like doing the spinning circles, saying resetting your RPC this percent, this percent, this percent. So it should say that. So I'm gonna be right back, and hopefully it says it, and hopefully it actually works, because last time it just didn't work. So what I'm gonna do if this doesn't work is I'm gonna reset it using this, then I'm gonna reset. Now I know this just sounds like a waste of time, but I mean, I have tomorrow to, like, today is Saturday, and tomorrow's Sunday, so then I'll have all day to install my apps. So, okay, so if this doesn't work, I'll reset it using the Dell recovery. Then I will reset, and if reset doesn't work, then I know reset is the Dell partition, the Dell reset partition is corrupted, which means I can't remove it. So, I mean, I probably could using special software, but whatever. I'll be right back. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so it literally just turned off as soon as I hit record. So, please wait. Please wait. So, now it's gonna restart. Hopefully, after it's done and it says welcome, hopefully it doesn't crash. Hopefully. Okay, I just saw the CMD window pop up. Resetting this PC. Oh, I was saying right here, I meant right here. Because, like, right here has it. And look, if I do this, does that look weird? Having the dots like that? 1%. So I'm not going to record this whole thing or time-lapse it because of space reasons, even though this is a 32 gig iPod and I have 20 gigs left on it, about 22 gigs. I still just don't want to record this whole thing. So, after it says, okay, we're almost about done, like 90%, or about 70, because sometimes it jumps really fast, like, let's say from 20 to 40 or something, it jumps quite fast, because it does that, and then it does that. So I'm gonna post the picture I took of the resetting, well, not this resetting screen, but the other. I should actually take a picture of this too, but I'm gonna put it on my Instagram, www.instagram.com/omegashell12. I know this is kind of like promoting, but I mean, it is my own Instagram, and you know, I hardly use Instagram. Like, I hardly even post on it. It's just, like, I don't really use it that much, so go follow me if you want. I'm not saying you have to, I'm saying if you want, okay? So, I'll take the picture of this whole reset thing. So, I'll be back in a bit, not in a little bit, in quite a bit, after this is almost done. So, see you guys in a bit. So, yeah. Okay, so it's almost about done. Well, basically it's done now. Finally. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what the heck's gonna happen. Because any second now, it's going to restart. Just waiting. I'm crossing my fingers that this frickin' works. Here we go. Please. Please, God, make this work. It's like, please just make it work. I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to deal with these. Here we go. Let me, clean the lens. Sorry about this, I'm just cleaning the lens. Because, you know, I don't want any, like, glare on the, camera lens. Okay. Okay. I hear the fan ramping up. I don't know if that's a good sign that the fan is ramping up. Last time, here's preparing. Yes, it did it! Yes, it did it! Well, this is what happened last time on the HP. Last time I reset, it did this. Which means, oh crap. Which means, I get FCU and the Dell installation. So, it's basically a win-win. So, cha-ching! Bring me the dough. It's really bright compared to what's on camera, but I'm so happy that this happened because now I can actually reset whenever my computer's messed up. So basically it's a win-win. I'm not gonna do the same picture thing I just did, but I'll be back when it's about 90%. So yeah. Like, I have tears of joy right now. Like, seriously, tears of joy. Because I haven't seen this installing Windows in quite a while. So, be back with you guys after it's 90%. So, bye. Okay, so it loaded the drivers. Oh, I was pressing the Wi-Fi button. Look. You guys see that, right? So, yes, I am getting the drivers. Okay. What was it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I believe that's how it went. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apparently, when I was wiping the screen, because there was something on there, I wiped it like that, and all of a sudden, the touch works. Look, you guys see those dots, right? So, the drivers are loaded. Good. I wonder, is the backlit keyboard gonna work after this? So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is at 50% screen brightness. It's brighter and less blue. It's like... Where the heck is my phone? I'm looking for my phone right now. Jeez, where the heck did I even put it? That's just my blanket rubbing up against the wood. Screw it, whatever. It honestly doesn't matter. I have installing Windows, and usually you guys would see upgrading Windows when it's a Windows upgrade video. Like, right about here, it would say upgrading Windows. That's %, don't turn off your PC. So, touch works. So I will take a picture of this for the thumbnail. No clickbait, because, why not? No clickbait, okay. Well, it's at 50%. Well, that's too bright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, so 30%. So it's at 43, 53. I found my phone. It was just under my covers. Now, I know I should have like a desk, but I mean, this thing is... That was my fan. It's kind of warm in here. Oops. Sorry. Basically, it's like, my desk is here, my, bed is where I'm sitting right now, because I don't have a desk or a chair, so, I mean, for now, this works. Like, when I watch YouTube videos, I mean, I just turn my laptop, like this, and then I can just watch YouTube videos. It's so easy. Like, I mean, once I have a desktop, then, like, I know in my 2 first videos that were made on this channel, the first 2 videos on my channel was from that Acer computer, that mini tower, I believe is what it is. Oh. So apparently, now it's gonna restart. Oh, please don't crash. Oh, I'm gonna be so mad if this crashes, but it will probably be a SOD if something's wrong. But, thank God it works. Like, it's loading now, so eventually I will get a desktop. I'm thinking of getting a pre-built, just, like, you could build your own, but, like, I might get a Dell, I might get an Acer. There's so many brands, maybe except HP. There's so many brands of computers, though, so there are lots of brands of computers. And hopefully, my ISOs did not get deleted. Oh. Yes! Because last time I said welcome, it broke. So thank God it didn't. So hopefully, once it's like, hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. It should have the max audio drivers. It has the display drivers. And if this was NU, it would have like that big circle saying installing Windows, and I like this spinning dot better. These spinning circles. It's just, and this you can slightly see the Dell logo. It's like kind of bright in my room. I just have the blankets over my window. I know that sounds weird, but I have the blinds down and then the blanket over the blinds because, I mean, if I didn't have the blankets, it would be really bright in here. And during the day, I'm not really wanting it super bright in my room, but like, you can still see everything. But, yeah. So, I'm glad that this is working. And, yeah. It's been 4 minutes. I'll speed up some parts. Not like me talking. Because it will be so high-pitched. It will be annoying. Now I have the hiccups. It's great. Well, those are just 2 hiccups. If I have hiccups, I won't record for a couple minutes. Usually I hold my breath. Is it done? Oh my god! It just went from 60% to just a moment. Not 90%. Is it gonna say the... Please do the Cortana thing. Please do the Cortana thing. Because when I installed Windows 10S, it was like, Cortana sounded really creepy. It was like, check out the new way to use Windows. It was like kind of creepy or something. It wasn't, she didn't say it like that, but like, she didn't say that, but just a moment. I'm so happy. Now, this is as if I just bought my new computer and I just pressed the power button. And now it says, just a moment. This is exactly, probably word for word, or not word for word. It's probably going to say the Cortana thing. Let me turn up my volume all the way because I can turn it down too. It's just, I don't want it to be like, hi there. I'm Cortana and I'm here to help. I don't want it quiet, but like enough to where I can hear it. I'm not deaf, so I'm not making fun of deaf people. I'm just saying I'm not deaf, so I mean I do listen to loud music, but not like 200 decibel loud. No. Maybe like 50 or 60% of volume I have. It's still just a moment. And I guarantee if I hit stop, it's gonna immediately do, hi there, I'm Cortana. So, I will stop it, be right back. Or actually not. I should probably just wait. Oh, here we go.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
That sounds different.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC.
Oh, this is exactly what it was.
If you need an assistive screen reader, Press the Windows
This is what happened when I installed Windows 10s.
to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Except that. I like this screen.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. This is so easy. They make it so easy to set up.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Yes.
Now type your credentials.
Okay.
Now type your credentials.
Shut up, Cortana. Sorry guys for yelling.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Okay.
Now we can go look for any updates.
That's what it was. Now we can go look for any updates. She sounded creepy. So this is basically the setup when, oh yeah,
Next up,
the legal stuff.
In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Should I decline? Where's decline? Where's decline, huh? Alright, you can only accept. Here we go. Account. So this is one thing you guys should do.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
No, no, no. Don't do this. You guys will regret signing in with a Microsoft account. Never do this. Always a local account. I don't like that.
You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know, Windows works way better with a Microsoft account. Do you want to do that instead?
No.
Type what you want to name your account.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, that's about right.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
What password should I do? Oh, right. Nothing.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Sure. Why not?
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready.
Okay, so once you guys are at this, don't just click Accept. If you click Accept, that's basically the old Use Express settings. Basically, this is telling you, hey, we're Windows 10, we're Microsoft using Windows 10, and we want to spy on you. So, I will review these. There's no more. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or, no. There's only 5. So, I mean, as soon as it's like, let's start, then, yeah. You shut down, turn back on, go to Privacy tab on the Windows 10 settings. This is FCU 100%. Because CU never had, now we'll check for any updates. Like, she sounded creepy when she said that. So, I'll review these settings and pick the ones I want. You guys can just go off, off, off. You guys just go off, 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 off. You guys can just click all off if you wanted to. For me, I can keep some on because, you know, I use Cortana sometimes, not all the time. Just in the RTM and NU days, you had to sign into a Microsoft account to use Cortana, which was stupid. And I think that's still now, but I don't know. So I'll stop this video, pick the settings I want. I'll be back with you guys after. Okay, you guys probably just heard Cortana say ready or something. But this is what it would look like if you do all off. I want location and speech recognition, and that's all. So, like, getting apps, the number of ads you'll see, and this. You'll be sending less data to help fix errors you counter. Or, help us... Oh, here we go. So this is basically saying, hey, we'll spy on you. Help us fix and improve Microsoft products and services, sending diagnostic data, including web browser, Microsoft Edge, app, and feature usage, and inking and typing data to Microsoft. This is basically saying, hey, we're gonna take your web browsing data, apps, inking and typing data, and we're gonna sell them, basically. I don't know if they sell it, but like, if you read this and you click that, just read it, because if you just click accept, you're basically saying, hey Microsoft, spy on me. That's basically what you're saying. So, those are the two all I want on. Accept. And you don't want Microsoft spying on you.
Okay, that's the last step.
Here we go.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours.
Looking forward to helping out. I like doing that. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Haven't seen this before, huh? Oh, jeez. Like, I just put my lip to the plastic, and my iPod's quite warm. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So, yeah. So, finally, I didn't have to use any USB drives. I meant flash drives. I didn't have to use any flash drives. So this is basically Windows 10 FCU on a Dell installation of Windows 10. So, yay. So I'll take a picture every time, and it's gonna be hard. You know, whatever. You guys seen it so many times. I'll just start the video when it says about to say let's start. So, be back with you guys in a bit. We want everything to be ready for you. Let's start. Welcome to the best version, welcome to the best Windows ever. And judging by that people, I have FCU. Winver. Here we go. It literally has the latest build. What the heck? I thought it would have like 0.0 or 0.15. What? Hi, I'm Cortana. What? I'm like, I'm shaking. And my voice cracked. It's Mickey Mouse. Wait, where's the Dell stuff? Where's the Dell stuff? I don't see Dell. Windows, what happened to all my Dell things? Screw off, Mickey Mouse. What is this? Disney Magic Kingdoms? I have the latest patch, what? Okay, this is weird. Because usually, no patch... Uh-oh. I just saw Cortana go black for a second. Is Dell Support Assist here? No. I think it clean installed for me. Like, removed all those Dell apps. So... yeah. So, that's weird. So, it's a digital license. No, I'm not adding a Microsoft account. So, I mean, I can just go, well, I have to get Chrome. So, here's Windows 10. Yeah. Number one thing you do. So I already got the stupid things. So, let me... Uh-oh, I was about to touch my mouse, but I ended up touching my flash drive. And they were literally the spot where it was. So, this... You know what we do in Windows 10 Home? Or Pro? Oh, I didn't mean that. I meant we go to settings on OneDrive. You know what we do, folks? This. Nope. My voice was loud. Wait, when did I start this at 1? Which means this has been 3 hours. Wow. Then we close this out. Yes, close OneDrive. Open up my AMD settings. Come on. I mean, the Dell backlit thing I can just get off the website. Super resolution. GPU scaling. I really don't know what it means. Prevent aspect ratio full. And you see this? This basically, this color temperature automatic, basically makes everything more rich. Like I'm gonna go right here, zoom in here, not zoom in, but like get it focused and show you guys what happens. You guys see that? You guys just see that, right? The color changes. This is basically the normal one, so please don't tell me you got rid of my Dell background that came originally with this laptop, because if it did, that means it deleted everything Dell, and it kept my ISOs. I'm gonna have to delete that because I don't use 3D objects. Windows.old. How many gigs is this? Wait, seriously? It's literally megabytes? Wow, I thought it would be like gigabytes. Nope, it apparently, kept some things. So apparently my user's not, has nothing in it. WinSXS has a couple things in it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Go to Windows, scroll all the way down. Oop. Go to Web. Wallpaper. I don't see Dell. I'm gonna go through all the images myself. Well, it got rid of my wallpaper. That's just lovely. Even the 4K one. All of them. So, it's gone. Great. So, basically, me resetting clean installed, but it kept all the drivers. So, I didn't check Windows Update. So, do I have any updates at all? Because, as we saw, this is literally the latest version. And username, org name, which I'm gonna have to change my Windows tweaker. Do we got any updates? So, it's 3. So, I will, I know that this is hard on the hard drive resetting every time my computer messes up, but my installation really needed it. Let's go Windows X. Oh, right. It switches from that to, yeah, I know that. But, let's see. Installed updates. Nothing yet. So basically, this is a fresh, clean install, but I don't have to install all the drivers. Literally, I have to install nothing. I guarantee it's gonna say no updates. This will be the first time I ever see no updates. If it's like, oh, updating Windows Defender, okay, but this will be the first time not seeing drivers. So, we got some things. Update for Windows Defender and a Windows malicious software removal tool for 8.1, 10, server 2012, R2, 2016, X64 edition, December 2017, and the KB and KB. And my cursor is flipping out. Okay. So, delivery optimization. Sure, why not? Advanced. I don't want to limit the broadband activity monitor. Okay. Since 1.18, what? Everyone knows I just installed this. And this, don't click hide agenda. The agenda thing happened in AU. So go to calendar until it opens. Now, I'm gonna have to put all my emails in the mail thing because, you know, I use the mail app. Go back here, hide agenda. Now, when I want to see my agenda, there we go. So, give me products, other Microsoft products when I update Windows. Which means, like, something. Sure, enabling this policy will automatically download updates even over a metered connection. Sure. Now this is just advanced options. I mean, I can change that when I want, so. Restart. Everyone doesn't go to this tab. Now, I will get window arrow tweaker and have it so when like a new cumulative update is, it doesn't automatically restart. I mean, my voice cracked. I mean, like, when those videos on YouTube you see Windows 10 restarting because of an update, yeah, just get WinArrow Tweaker from winarrow.com and you'll be set. But for me, show more notifications. Yeah, which means like, oh, if you have an update, it will pop up here saying like, oh, you got a new update. Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. Yeah, no. Change activity hours. Can I set this to 00? No. Because I don't want it to restart. So, like, I'm just gonna... So, reset. I just want to see what happens when I click this. Because... I mean, I just installed it, so... Now, what happens if I just do this? Now, I'm not actually going to redo it because it would be really stupid of me to do it a second time. Only installed. I just want to see what happens. Yes, let's reset again. No. Let's not reset again. So, let me go to my system. Oh yeah, I didn't name the PC yet. So, it's good right now. Got latest update. Remote desktop. Oh yeah, Windows 10 at home doesn't allow it. It's stupid though. And then, let's use the new Microsoft Edge. Here we go. Welcome to Microsoft Edge. Designed for Windows 10, faster than both Chrome and Firefox. Here's that part. Yes, now you can actually get Microsoft Edge on iOS and Android. So it's device friendly. Okay, how the heck will I close this? There, submit. That's an invalid. Well, it shouldn't be invalid. There we go. Let's go. Oh yeah. I haven't updated it yet. One perk is that this is still that icon. I mean, so, you know what? I will close this. Windows Update can do its stuff in the background. So I'll get a notification saying, oh, time to restart. But like, look. Tell me in the comments who likes that Windows Store icon. I mean, I like this icon. Or I could do the new one. So, let's take a look at Taskman. Huh, a freshly installed PC. Using up almost 100%. Let's see. What's the highest on the disk? Oh wait, it's a stupid system thing that you cannot close. And this, search online on Microsoft Edge Bing, because, you know, people want to Bing their stuff. Let's see. Goggle.com. Wow, that was fast. Like, I'm just gonna go to, let's see. This is pretty fast, actually. For the hard drive being at about almost 100 or at 100. That's fast, man. The one thing everyone wants to do is get, my voice cracked, get Chrome. But I'm gonna search Dell wallpaper. Let's see, Windows 10 Dell wallpaper. Which before, this is not how I got the Dell wallpaper. Here it is. No, I don't want a link of the wallpaper. Save picture as... Yes, whatever that is will be good. Now, without all the Dell things... Okay, even though this is not HD, this is what my computer should look like. A fresh install. So blurry. But I'll get some things situated. Be right back. Okay, so I got everything situated. Chrome's installed. Haven't heard anything about the updates yet. Let's go to drivers and downloads. So, the quick setup is what the backlit keyboard thing was. But I wonder, can it still be accessed from the mobility center? No, not at all. Oh, looks like I was running older versions of stuff. So, the BIOS still hasn't had an update. So, I will install a few things that I need. So, I'll be back in a little.